A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm really confused what language to speak, but I know, I think I'm going to take a turn of English, Malayalam, Tamil, Kannada, and all the languages, because here we are getting together to celebrate one of the finest festivals of India. Why I call it India is Onam is not a national or a Deshiyotsavam of Kerala. It's celebrated all over India, abroad, and where not. So, a very warm and hearty welcome to one and all on this Sunday morning with all your lovely kids who are dressed like Bharatnatyam, Mohiniyattam and all. So we are having a total cultural extravaganza to celebrate the great festival Onam, which, as I told you, not only belongs to Kerala but for all. As you know, quite bit of sweets have to be filled up. We have to get more people here, but we don't want to delay the program unwantedly. ഐശ്വര്യത്തിൻ്റെയും സമ്പൽ സമൃദ്ധിയുടെയും സന്തോഷത്തിൻ്റെയും ആനന്ദത്തിൻ്റെയും ഉത്സവമായ ഓണം കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് കുറച്ച് ദിവസങ്ങളായി. എന്നാലും താങ്ക്സ് ടു രാകേഷ് ആൻഡ് ദ റിപ്ര ക്രിയേഷൻസ് ഫോർ ബ്രിങ്ങിങ് ദാറ്റ് wonderful or the beautiful festival back to us for this Sunday. And ladies and gentlemen, I want you to give a good applause to Rakesh, who had taken the sincere efforts to make this event possible in Bangalore. To make this function very rich, we have some esteemed guests with us. With all the honor, I would like to invite one on the other. The chief guest of the day, Mr. Satish Kumar Singh, Deputy Commissioner, Income Tax. May I request Rakesh to please accompany Mr. Satish Kumar Singh to the dais. Ladies and gentlemen, Satish Kumar Singh is a very ardent lover of music and dance. Thank you, sir. The second guest of honor, we have Vidwan Ranganayakalu Padmashali, founder of Sri Ranga Kalakshetra that was established in the year 1991. He is a dancer and has performed in and around Bangalore, including the Hampi Festival. He also conducted several workshops on dance as well as music. Ladies and gentlemen, a round loud of applause for Vidwan Ranganayakalu Padmashali. The next guest of honor, I take it as a big honor to invite Mrs. Gayatri Devi, Kalatilagam Mrs. Gayatri Devi, one of the best dancers we have in Bangalore, who started learning dance at the age of 4. She has learned the classical forms like Bharatnatyam, Mohiniyattam, Kuchipudi, Kathakali, Chakyar Kuthu, etc. She was awarded the Best Dancer Award for Excellence in Dance by Tamil Nadu Kalai Mamani Sabha. She is currently running an institution called Tapasya Kala Shala that provides training in Bharatnatyam, Mohiniyattam, classical music and drawing. We welcome you, madam. I'm really honored to invite yet another honorable lady, Mrs. Subhadra Devi. Madam, Subhadra Devi, who hails from Ambalapura, is a well-known personality among the Bangalore Malayalis. She is a founder of Mangalya Sutra Charitable Trust. Apart from that, she is the president of NENMA, joint convener of Kairali Kala Samiti, and convener of Karnataka Nayar Service Society. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have all the guests of honor among with us. Thank you. I request Anaga Murugan here. May I call upon Nidhi? May I call upon Sachi? Thank you, children. The dignitaries on the dais to make their way to the lamp, to have the lighting of the lamp ceremony, please. Ripra Creations to give his welcome address.
It's my pleasure to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Satish Kumar Singh, Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, guest of honor Vidwan Ranganaiklu Padmashali sir, Mrs. Gayatri Devi, Kala Tilakam, ma'am, yeah, welcome. Mrs. Subhadra Devi, ma'am, you're also welcome. And participants and one and all present here. Yeah, Ripra Creations. Ripra Creations is an event management firm which was started 4 years ago, but we were not active for certain time. Even last year we tried to have an attempt of Guinness World Record, and now this year we have started with Veendum Oru Pononam, and it takes pleasure in introducing itself as an organization and a family looking out for an unique and one kind of events. At Ripra Creations, we will believe events are one of the fundamental tools that builds healthy communications between an individual, organization and their target audiences. Our vision is to operate with integrity, honest, respect, provide high standard of service and build excellent relationship with all. Our goal is to give each and every event a different meaning, identity and a vision with true professionalism. Every event organized, managed and coordinated by Ripra Creation is an excellent opportunity to everyone, not only an individual, small kids, right from the age of 4 years to 80 years and above. And coming to Veendum Oru Ponnonam, this event was initiated keeping in mind the Onam festival of Kerala with a difference. We thought we have a, Onam event. Normally we have it with all Onam traditional folk dances and Onam Sadhya, etc., etc. But this time we thought everywhere you will find a Onam, celebration. I thought we should have some difference, giving an opportunity to all the, classical dancers. And today, many people, aware of classical dances, but how many of them are known that we have Indian classical dances? There are a lot of, classical dances, then folk dances. So we thought we'll have a difference. So that's how the Veendum Oru Ponnonam with a difference, with the classical performances and the folk dances of India. So we hope everyone enjoys this show, and we are starting from Kacheri. It will be going on with a non-stop. I welcome you all once again. Thank you a lot. Thanks.